What's happening, AV Tweeps? It's Alesia Hendley, aka The Smooth Factor. Today we are in Phoenix, Arizona for the first time on the E4 experience. So you know what that means, rise and grind. And with that said, welcome to Phoenix! Okay, as always, we are having a good time here at the E4 experience. I just met Jonathan and I'm excited that he's here. Jonathan, tell us why you came to the show.
Well, we're with a company called Accutech. We're good partners and just checking out all the cool new technology here.
Hey, it's all about the tech. This is the place where you come and get updated on that new technology. So Jonathan, you're in the right place. Good to meet you, my man.
Good to meet you too.
Thank you. So once again, Exertis Almo is doing a great job with the E4 experience, but also just doing great on all levels. So I want to talk to Liz about this because I'm so excited to hear about how you guys partner with both manufacturers and integrators and how important that is to our industry.
It's super important. It's what makes us special. It's what makes us do what we do and how we do it so well. Because we build those relationships, right? That's exactly what all of this is about. And we get to be, as a BDM, the liaison between the two. So I work with my integrators and they have all the questions, and I go to my manufacturer and I can answer all the questions, and I bring people together. That's the best thing about this job, is that I get to build relationships and work together with both the integrators and the manufacturers and bring everybody together.
I love that. Relationship building, bringing those connections together and making it all happen. And Liz is your lady to do that. Thank you so much for your time today. Absolutely. All right, AV Tweeps, as you can see, the buzz is always here at the E4 experience. Until next year, we'll see you in 2024.